What's up guys, it's RNG Collapse here, and today we're doing this SMG challenge. We kinda made like a part 2 for the pistol challenge, but we like upgraded the pistol to a SMG cause it was so hard to get the wins on. We came second place, but like that's not good enough, so we upgraded to the SMG, and we had 4 games. We died all 3, but the last one, we're lucky and we won the game. Hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And go check out my friend's channel. S King Claps. Sorry I messed that up, but like still. Yeah, I don't wanna like retake it cause I already did this like 5 times. I may show a bloopers video next time. Yeah. Of me just messing up and try doing the intros and stuff. If you guys like that, like this video and comment if you guys wanna see it. The last game we didn't have good luck, but the next game gets better and better. Salty. I'm going salty. Yeah, sure. Bro, you're so far away. Oh my god, I got randled by kids. I got ballooned. Yeah. But two kids. Just die, and we can restart it. I did. I'm hiding. I'm trying, dog. I can't though. I have to go around the whole map. The whole place. 6, 4, 2. I died. Oh, damn, boy. Yeah, no one goes here. We can do this. No, there's an SMG in the house, I think. Maybe. Yeah. The Chardy's actually okay now. It's not bad, it's just okay. Yeah. Like that. No, we're doing the pistol only. Yeah, sure, it's okay. Just reboot me and then give me the tack unless we're gonna book it. I mean the charge. I just wait for him to reboot. Or just kill him. Did you actually... Charge your shotgun, charger. Charge, he's around. Oh. He's actually good. He's okay. Not bad, but still. Charge your shotgun. No. Yeah, so the last game we didn't have good luck, but the next game gets better and better. And let me drink these minis. I'm coming. I don't care. Wait, what? I didn't even know who it was. Oh shit. I thought that was a normal guy. Oh, you got the Michael Jordan collab with everything. Got them Jordans. It's a pretty sick skin, I like it. Yeah, it's pretty sick skin, I like it. The last game, we didn't have good luck, but the next game gets better and better. I can't leave your party or anything, that's the thing. No! Yeah, but I almost died to fall damage! Don't die to me like that. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, okay, sorry. Mini, my bad. I'm gonna go push cause I'm a god. No, someone just died, that's the thing. I'm versing someone over. Ah, he's so low. He's like 5 HP. Yep. Another kid, yeah. I bet. Yeah, you take him. He had a thick shorty tack, bro. He had a thick shorty tack. Yeah, thick shorty tack. No, I can't right now. Sorry. Hold up. I'm holding walls though. Got him. Yes, man, I am. No, I'm not gonna die. Chill. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm too good. I'm better than you. No, they're mine. No, you can pick them up here. Here. Well, I think I could snipe him, maybe. Or that's not even a guy, dog. I don't know what this kid said. He's like, there's a guy. Oh, when he comes out, I'll snipe him. Because I have a sniper. If... Yeah, see him. I'm aiming. When he stops, then we gotta target. Fuck. Okay, no. Let him stay. Let him think. Now he knows where we are. Yeah, The buddy's trying to snipe me. Yeah, he's a sweat dog, like. Bro, he actually is on. You know, I'm just kneeling down right now. He's on the ground. I'm coming. Grab him, 16. Yeah, I'm coming. No, he got me, he got me. Spray, just spray, just spray. Yeah. I'm not gonna let him revive him. Nah, he's killed me, bro. He's down. He's all the way down, trying to revive his teammate. Yeah, spray, bro. Spray, spray, spray. Alright, let me just grab that P90. Let me grab that SMG. Yeah, can you give me SMG ammo? I have no SMG ammo. Oh my, chill, dog, chill. I have 3 medkits. Here's one more. Yeah, I have 5 medkits now. After I pick this shit up. Yeah, I got a 1 P90, 1 SMG. P90s are OP. P90s are actually OP. P90s are actually OP. Yeah, can you have do you have sniper ammo? And some mats? Do you have mats as well? Cause you took all mine. Thanks, Dad. Stuff. Bro, there's no one here. There's no one here. Yeah, where's kill game, Ballista? Oh, gliding, kid gliding, kid gliding, kid gliding, right here. Over there. Yeah, right here. He dropped, yeah, yeah. He dropped. I think he's trying to reboot. Ain't gonna let him reboot. Yeah, we ain't gonna let him reboot. But there's 2 kids. Yeah. Just don't let him, what is it? Whatever you call it. Just. Hey, but. Yeah, they're still trying to reboot. Yeah, they're flaring. They're flaring. Yeah, if he has Jules drum gun, then we. You're keeping covered. Yeah, I know. You're keeping you covered right now. Or does it let me build there? Watch out, you could get sniped. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yeah, someone's flaring us. Yeah, Jules drum gun, yeah. Yeah, just watch out. Yeah. I hear the drum gun. Yeah, I'm dropping down, I'm dropping down. I'm getting burned, yeah, yeah. Coming, coming. Yeah, yeah. Really? Hi. This is getting hectic. I gotta keep it safe, guys. Secure your build so, like, you don't. But I'll keep it secure with cones. Yep, coning everything. I'm not trying to. I know he's trying to fair. Got him. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, finish him. I couldn't build there. I'm medkitting up. I fell. I'm medkitting up. It's okay, I'm medkitting up. Hold up. Is everything under control? Let's go! Bro, let's go! SMG's the thing, dog! SMG's the thing! Yeah, so we won the challenge, and I'm sorry I was cringy a lot. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. We won the game. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and go check out my friend King Claps. See you next time. Peace out.